Hare Krishna friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So today my son is going to tell you a story about a caterpillar. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you.
Footi and His Shoes. Footi the caterpillar is sad. He lost a pair of shoes. Let's go to a shoe shop. His mom says they visit a shoe shop. Footi and his mom see many shoes. Bono the sales dog shows him what he likes. Footi tries on many shoes, but he does not like any. They keep coming off my feet, Footi tells Bono. Bono thinks he has an idea. He gets shoes with laces. You can tie the laces around your feet. Bono tries the laces off for him. The shoes don't come off. Footi walks out with 100 pairs of shoes.
So friends, hope you enjoyed this story. Do like, share and subscribe to encourage my child. Hare Krishna.